It's live. Right, hopefully I'm back. Hopefully I'm back. I think that's okay. Looks like it's starting back up again. Hello world. Okay, that sends it to both. Awesome. It does send it to both. Oh, really cool. I like Restream. Okay. New update. I've installed it. I wanted to run through though what I normally do when there's a new update. So clearing out the Fortnite temporary data folder and just basically just resetting up the settings tab again quickly. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to see if ATA is on. If you watch my stream right now. Copy that link. Go into Fortnite chat. Sorry, just on my Discord. One sec. Right. So, yeah, these are the things I normally do when I get a. Hide that. Don't need those. So number one, you go into Explorer and you type %local app data close %. All right, local app data. That's behind there, so you can't see it. There we go. Local app data in there, in that window. Hit that, and then you find one that says Fortnite game, and you basically just rename it. You can just delete it if you want, but I typically just rename them. And then when you restart Fortnite, it will recreate a fresh one of these. Create a brand new one with reset settings only in the display tab. It won't touch any of your other settings. It will just, well, mostly only in the display tab. So next you launch Fortnite. Is there anything else I want to check before I do that? Maybe the NVIDIA settings. Just to go through those really quick before I launch it. So set these up, you click on this and use my preferred emphasis on performance. You click apply there, and once that's done, you then switch it over back to the middle one, use the advanced 3D settings, apply again, then you go into the 3D settings. The performance one should have reset most of these to off. I leave pretty much all of them as default, other than I select the OpenGL rendering GPU as your GPU. Prefer maximum performance as power management. That's a very important one. Highest available for your monitor refresh rate. And then the only other one I change is this one, quality, the texture filter and quality high performance. Everything else I pretty much leave as standard. Don't touch anything else. And then you OK that, you apply that. Then you go into physics, you make sure your physics settings, you're applying the right processor, not using the CPU, you're using your proper GPU. Again, I'll apply that. Resolution, change resolution, yeah, I don't think you need to do much in here other than select the NVIDIA color settings and apply that. Nothing in that one, nothing in that one, nothing in that one. I usually turn audio off because I'm using an auxiliary input to output to my stream, not through the graphics card for audio. But I think that keeps getting set back to default, so don't know how you get that on. Adjust desktop size and position. You have no scaling, and you do the no scaling on your display, and you click that for override to make sure the game can't do it. That's my res. G-Sync, I run G-Sync. That's all default. And then the adjust video color settings, you choose in video, you go to the advanced tab and you choose full instead of limited and apply that. And then you just choose the NVIDIA settings there. And that should be it. I don't think there's anything else in that. Not really. Okay, so remember we've renamed this directory. So when we click here to launch Fortnite, it'll create a brand new one. I do this every major drop. It just cleans up all the settings, cleans out any old replays. It's just a lot cleaner. I mean, you can clean out your DX shader cache as well, but I'm not going to do that right now. Yeah, I love that double chat. That's cool. So by default, this will try and start when you create a new. Would you like to automatically apply the best settings? I just do that quickly. I'm gonna overwrite it. Anyone? Yo, can I join you? I'm just setting up Fortnite right now. I'm not playing. All I'm doing. After I've set all this up, I've got to do some work. Thanks for asking. Right, so let's go into settings. What have we got? So first thing we need to change is full screen. Then 1920 by 1080. Leave VSync off. I run unlimited frame rate, but then I limit it in RTSS. So I limit mine to 240 in RTSS. So you've got a choice of doing it in here at 240 or whatever your under your monitor is, or have this unlimited and have another limiter as a third-party limiter. So I do that. Rendering mode I leave as DX12 because it's better performance than performance mode. Exactly. Right, and then these are important. The quality presets. So start by going to low. That'll move a load of these to the left. That also sets two hidden settings in the config file, the Fortnite config file, that you can't get to here. So using the presets lets you access those two hidden settings. So start with low and then turn off anti-aliasing and then put the 3D resolution up to 100. Right, so then we scroll down a bit. View distance, sorry, leave that near. Textures, I normally move that up one to medium, because what that does is it moves a bit of work from your CPU over to your GPU. It gives a bit more load over to your GPU. And normally in Fortnite, your GPU is bored and your CPU is maxed. That's Fortnite code. So any work that you can move from your CPU over your GPU is a good thing. I sometimes do high, but I'm fine on medium. And then the last one to make sure you do is the NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency. Make sure that's on plus boost. In order to get the on plus boost, you'll need to restart Fortnite after this. So we're going to apply all. Yes. There are two more settings that get reset with this. Right down the bottom on the next tab, this one, the game tab, there's some energy saving ones, and I turn both of those off. Okay. Right. So now we can restart the game. Let's restart that. So look, see that? It's created a new Fortnite game folder, brand new one. Yeah, I've got to get back to work in a sec. So I'm just doing this to show how I set up Fortnite. The optimum settings. Skip the replay, skip the replay. And you should be good to go. Yep, that all looks fine. All looks fine. On plus boost fine. Yep, we're good. Don't worry about in matchmaking region if that jumps around a lot. So what's going on there is it's pinging a QoS server for Fortnite, which resolves to multiple addresses. So it resolves to addresses in Dublin, London, Paris, and Germany. And depending on which one is at the top of the list at the time, and they change, that will determine your ping. So 17 milliseconds, I'm obviously resolving right now to Germany, from London to Germany. If I got London at the top of the list, I'd be on about 3. So if you're wondering why that jumps around a lot, it's because I can desktop network. So I wrote a little script to actually ping all these servers. Where are you? Ping Fortnite servers. Right. So on here, I basically, you can see which region the latest servers ping. So ping.ex eu.ds on epicgames.com. So if I choose number 4 from this, it will then, I'm creating a text bar right now that is looking up pings, and then it'll ping each of the servers associated with that address, associated with that name. So where is it? So ping.eu, this lot. So if we do another window, we're doing an NS lookup to actually see what it's resolving to. You'll see that it's resolving to, look at all those. Basically pinging every single server in Europe. And some are in Germany, some are in Paris, some are in Dublin, some are in London. So depending on which one is at the top of that list will determine. And as I say, they rotate. So when you actually join a game, it won't use that one. It's just doing the NS lookup right now. That's all it's doing, is an NS lookup and then a ping on the top result. That result, and I ping it. So that's a London one. It's giving me the London one at the moment. So if I restart Fortnite, it changes constantly. If I run this again. Look, so that was at the top of the list there, 149. Now 207 is at the top of the list. So it constantly changes, and that's the one Fortnite is pinging. So if you're wondering why your ping's getting worse, it's not. It's just dependent on which one of these servers is being pinged when it does a lookup. So, yeah. Yes, I did change my name. I'm changing it again as well. Apparently my son says Alexander the Dad is lame and cringe. So I needed to change it. I've been just experimenting with different names recently. I think I'm getting there. They're still off. Good. Yeah, they're ready to play. Ready to go and find boomerangs again. Yeah, I'm going to be changing this to fully optimized. I think Fortnite Tuner to fully optimized in about a week when I'm available. When I can change it again. Yeah, so I better go and to what? Fully optimized. So at the moment it's Fortnite Tuner, but everywhere else it's fully optimized. So I need to change the Fortnite Tuner to fully optimized. That's the what. But yeah, no more Alexander the Dad. Sorry. What else am I doing? Do I need to show anything else before I go? I think that's it. Do expect it if you create that new Fortnite game directory, the first half a game will be a bit choppy once it's just kind of saving some cash. After that, it should be plenty. Should be fine. Right, I should be on a bit later if anyone's around and wants to play. So hit me up. I'll probably stream again. But for now, I need to go and do some actual work. You know, the thing that pays the bills. All right, bye for now.